Hello my friends and welcome back. For today's video we're checking out this gel blaster. They give you safety glasses, you got your reservoir tank, you got your gel blaster bullets in here, and also here is your gel blaster. Check this out guys, that's pretty awesome. I love that design. So guys, let me go ahead and show you how this works. You're gonna go and slide this over the whole way to the circle right there, and then you're gonna fill this up. So first of all, you're gonna want to put your bullets in water and then let them swell up for a couple hours. Once they get to the size, pour them in here and then turn this on like this, and then you'll be ready to go with your ammunition. Over here they add this little kind of like a silencer type thing, so you put that on the end. Over here we have the battery and the charger, so this just charges with a USB little clip. That's going to act as the battery, and that just simply slides right up in here. To take the battery out, you press on this right here. Oh no, over here on the other side you press it, and that allows you to pop the battery out. We're going to go ahead and charge it a while our bullets are swelling up. They do give you a little manual telling you guys everything we basically just went over. So see you guys in a bit. One thing while this is charging, I do want to point out, you guys probably want to order more bullets. It did not come with that many bullets at all. It came with just a little small packet. So I highly recommend you guys order, and it's just simply the gel blaster bullets. That's all you got to order. I would say 90% of them are all the same size, so you should be fine with any gel blaster that's designed for, you know, these guns, and you can see that in the listing. But overall, I'm excited to test them out. We just got to wait for our bullets to get swelled up. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on this. If you guys have issues with it not shooting rapidly, you know, constantly, so just shake it a little bit and then shoot. So if you're shooting and it stops shooting, just shake it up a little bit and then keep shooting. What causes that is if your bullets, your gel bullets, are not big enough. So if you didn't leave them in water long enough, the gel bullets, the consistency is inconsistent, so that's why you have some fire, some don't fire, and that's why when you shake it up, it triggers the smaller ones to fire. Just read the manual, follow it, and you guys will be fine. So you guys saw the footage. I'll let your decision up to you if you want to get one or not.